Hi, this is Jim Harrison. Today we're at the Ethernet Technology Summit in San Jose, and I have the pleasure of talking to Brian Sparks, who is the marketing director at Mellanox, and they have a lot of interesting products. I think, Brian, you have three different types of products. You have system level, chip level, and board level.
That's right, Jim. So we are a semiconductor company at heart, and we provide end-to-end connectivity for InfiniBand, as well as we have Ethernet adapters and gateways. So we have the silicon devices, the adapter cards, gateways and switches, and even cables.
Oh, cables as well. Okay. So this system here is...
That's our BridgeX gateway. So BridgeX allows folks to be able to do 40 gig InfiniBand or 10 gigabit Ethernet to 10 gigabit Ethernet or fiber channel. So it's a good way for people to go from their clustering applications and be able to connect to SAN and LAN.
So it's a switch or?
It's a gateway.
Gateway. Okay. Right. So at the chip level, give us a little summary of what you...
Sure. So on the same silicon device, we do 40 gig InfiniBand and 10 gigabit Ethernet. So since we're at the Ethernet Summit, I'll just talk about the Ethernet today. Okay. So folks can purchase 10 gigabit Ethernet dual port or single port on a silicon device or on an adapter card. Okay. One of the things that we just announced in September is the world's first 40 gig Ethernet adapter card.
Okay, maybe we'll zoom in on that a little bit.
This is a single port device because obviously there's limitations in terms of the PCI Express Gen 2 bus. But as you can see in the interface here, it's a QSFP, which is the same interface as InfiniBand. And this is kind of the direction that folks are going in terms for 40 gig Ethernet for connectivity. So now we're just waiting for switches to come out.
Okay. So this is PCI Express Gen 2, it's 8 lanes?
Yes.
So 8 lanes will keep up with 40 gig?
Yes, it will.
Oh, okay.
It maxes out the bandwidth for sure on the bus.
Well, I bet it does. I bet it does. So you have some other card level products?
Sure. So, you know, we have all flavors of 10 gigabit Ethernet. So we have mezzanine adapter cards that we sell to folks like HP and IBM. We even have 10G-based T devices too, which is the ConnectX ENT brand. Mm-hmm. And we also have CX4 to be able to go to traditional copper, and of course SFP Plus, which seems to be the flavor of the day moving forward.
It does seem to be, doesn't it?
Yes.
So you have offices in Sunnyvale.
Right, and our main headquarters is in Israel.
Oh, okay, great. So you have to go back there visiting.
Every now and then.
Great. Thanks very much, Brian.
Of course. Thank you, Joe.